Now then guys, welcome back to Dive Loop Coasters. My name is Sam and you jump here once again in Tenerife here, but this time we're at Jungle Park. So I will say I wasn't going to film a video from this place, but there's a bobsled here, so we're going to take you on. So there's an assault course behind me, we're going to go through it, have a walk through, get some off-ride shots, then we're going to take you on for it. So it's only going to be a short video. This park's really good, it's like a zoo, there's a sea lion show, a birds of prey, so honestly it's a really good park, but not really aimed at the channel, so we'll get you on this bobsled, we'll take you on for a ride. Okay, so this is actually the jungle raid, so this is the actual assault course, but it gives you a good layout here of the bobsled. So you start at the top here, you got some up and left and right, and then you finish at the bottom. So yeah, let's go up now and get some off-road shots. I think we're going a lot faster than that, guys. That's a bit, quite a lot of braking going on there. I don't think we'll be touching the brake. So you got the lift all going down here then, you see a cracking view there of Tenerife, but yeah, we're going all the way up here. It looks like quite a long lift, all this, all the way up to the top, and then I see you just snaking down the bottom. Yeah, a lot of people seem to be using the brakes on this. If you know me, we ain't using no brakes, guys. It's going to be straight down to the bottom, full speed. I will say, guys, this assault course, no, it's not really made for adults, oh my word. And I've got a backpack on because I'm on a plane in 3 hours. So, oh, bloody hell, knees are shot. Oh, there we are. Oh. Yeah, things I do for you guys to get some off-ride footage, I tell you. We go down last bit here from the assault course. Got 2 on this one. Alright, let's hold on. Well done, let's check it out. Oh, little cat here, hello. Yeah, so I will say, so this is in Jungle Parks. This is owned by Aspro, same people that obviously, you know, rip Oakwood, but the same people that own the Aqualand Park. So the Aqualand in Costa Adeje, they're in the same one, and you can actually get a twin ticket for this place. So if you do want to do that, it's €51. Otherwise it's €35 to get in this park, and then you've got to pay, I believe it's €4 additionally upcharge for this as well. So yeah, we'll jump on it anyway, have a couple of goes, and take you on for it. That's pretty good. There we go. I've got some information here for you, so it can go up to 45 kilometers an hour. It says stop before you get off, brake on every turn, and before you get to the end, wear a t-shirt. And yeah, I don't think we're going to be doing this one though, guys. Let's jump on. Okay guys, all the knits, all the shared helmets, lovely. Right, we'll jump on, we'll get you an image of the car. There we are then. Right.
Morning, please, morning.
There you guys, there we go. Keep this held down. We don't have any stopping. Oh, bloody hell. Oh my lord. A bit violent. Right then, I'll try and keep my hands out of the way for you guys on this massive lift hill. I'll speed this footage up, I'll see you at the top. Right then guys, just at the top then. Right, brake off. Okay. Right guys, here we go at the top. Let's check it out. Seatbelt, nothing! Oh god! Gotta lean with it! Oh, we're getting some speed now! Oh, I feel proper sketchy! No seatbelt! Oh, there we go. across the line. Lovely. There are then, guys. So that's your little bobsled here at Jungle Park. So yeah, really good actually, not bad at all. It's the first one of those I've actually done. I've seen a lot of them, but I've not actually been on one. So that's the first time I've done one. Yeah, really good. It felt a little bit sketchy, I'm not gonna lie, because you don't have a seatbelt, you just kind of hold it on, and because you've got to kind of push forward on the brakes, so you're not braking, you're kind of like leaning forward, and then obviously I had to lean back to get you guys a pivot. It's a bit awkward, but obviously if you guys aren't filming, it'll be way easier. So yeah, really enjoyable. But that's it, just a really short vlog here, just to show you guys the bobsled here. Yeah, and then if you're over in the area in Tenerife, you can check it out. But that's it then, guys. So if you have found value in today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram at Dive Loop Coasters for all the latest. But from me here today at Tenerife Jungle Park, thank you so much for watching. Good night, God bless, see you in the next one.